my loves. Today I'm gonna do a get ready with me. Since everybody been asking me to do these get readys with me, so me and my makeup artist Q. Where you at, hun? We gonna do a get ready with me for y'all because I don't know how to do my makeup no more. So
she do.
Q comes to my rescue. I don't. But yeah, so we're gonna be filming the makeup process that we do. It's like a mini tutorial, really. Take notes. And I'm gonna be getting dressed and everything. It's gonna be like a full get ready with me. Taking my pictures, everything, like my whole little get ready process. So yeah, y'all. I gotta say that because I know y'all gonna be looking like she doing all that talking, but where's her hair from? Yes. It's flowing. So yeah, it's from Wig Dealer on Instagram. They sell full lace wigs, bundles, everything, like lace tint, the edge brushes, foam. They sell everything. That's where I get all my hair products, even the freaking edge, you know, the scarf layer front or whatever. That too. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna be talking about self-confidence. So yes. All my ladies, even my males who need to build their confidence, this conversation is gonna touch everybody. You know, because everybody need to learn about self-confidence. And I actually spoke with a girl one time. I was at a photo shoot and she was just asking me like, how do you, like, she just wanted to know like how do you even build the confidence to do what you're doing? And I'm just like, you know, you sometimes you look at everything around you and it's like everything is moving, and everybody know how I feel to be stuck in one place, or at least feel like you stuck in one place. So like you looking at everything around you, everybody around you, you just feeling like you're not doing enough. One day you got to get up. Only person who gonna make you feel good is you. Only person who gonna bring you up out that dark hole is you. So building self-confidence, it's just kind of like you teaching yourself. Just teach yourself how to love yourself. Learn what you like. Learn what you don't like. So when you learn what you don't like, you know what you're not going to accept. Know your values. Just know your self-worth. And take it serious. Don't let nobody like try to talk you into lowering your standards. Like set a bar and set it high.
Practice good affirmations.
Tell yourself every day like, I'm pretty. I'm so pretty. Like, you know, don't speak negatively out into the world. Don't ever do it. Even if you joking, don't do it. Don't keep saying I'm broke.
Yes, watch
don't
what you put in the universe.
You know?
Because there is power in the tongue. And you're either going to speak life to your situation or death.
Exactly.
So that's very important. I always say what you want. I always speak what you want because you attract what you want.
Right. Never get in the habit of just steady like, I don't look cute, or I don't, you know, that's not good. And don't nobody want to really be around somebody like that. So try to be somebody that, you know, people can just gravitate towards because they just love your energy. Try to just have good energy. It's real good. Like wake up feeling good. Don't wake up, if you wake up feeling bad, like if you wake up just feeling like you woke up on the wrong side of the bed, do something to change your mood instantly. Listen to some gospel, get up, go wash your face, go get dressed, go put on some clothes. Like just do stuff to always make yourself feel good. That's how I like build my self-confidence. Like I like feeling good. When you look good, you feel good. So
that is a good one.
You know, when you look good, you feel good. That's true. When girls, like some females, when they get their makeup done, they be like, oh my God, I feel so pretty. Like, you know.
Even with hair.
Yeah, even with hair too.
It's just the confidence that's boost. But you have to naturally have it.
Yeah.
And you know what? Since you're speaking on that, that is good too. It was this one lady when I was working at my old job who, I think bad relationships.
Bad relationships can weigh you down.
Because she, you know, we told her she looked so beautiful, like after she got her hair done, but she had a hard time accepting it because she didn't believe it because of her previous relationship. He just tore her down to the point where she started to believe the things that he said.
That's a lot of females. That happens to a lot of females, and you know why guys do that? Like I was talking to my friend about it today. They be dealing with their own issues, so they want to kind of like control your mind. That's the only thing they got control over in their life, and you let them like control them and like just change your whole mindset, how you look at yourself. Like if a guy was to cheat on me, I might be upset or whatever, but I'm not gonna be mad. Like, I'm not gonna be mad at him. Like, and I'm not gonna look at it like, what's wrong with me? Because I know nothing is wrong with me. It's something he chose to do. Like, you know, because of him and his choices. This has nothing to do with me. You can't really control nobody.
That's good, man.
So
it's all about your mindset.
Yeah, it's all about your mindset. It's all about how you look at stuff.
That is so true.
And when you know your worth and know, like, you know you, can't nothing, like, destroy your character at all. Nothing, like, at all.
And in any situation, in every situation,
that's
you're
what
gonna
I'm
learn from
saying.
it. It's a lesson learned.
Yeah, and some people really need to look at the situation like, okay, well, God was trying to teach me this.
Or show me that.
Maybe it was to learn this. Like, you know, don't look at stuff always like dang, something bad always happening in my life. Something always happening to me. Look at it as a lesson. Like, okay, now I know this. Or, you know, because you can learn out of every situation. Every situation.
What I like to say is, you know what, God loved me enough to show me. Because some people be so blinded. Some people don't know, and then just to be blessed to have that type of mindset, to know the difference and to view things, have a different perspective. I think people's perspective of things can be better, because when you have a different perspective, then you'll understand a lot more. And, which is, like you said, having confidence and just knowing, like, it's not me.
It's not me, right? It's not me, it's them.
It's them.
And whatever they dealing with, you know?
I absolutely agree.
Back to self-confidence, like, other ways to practice self-confidence. I already said doing what you love. Like, find out what you really focus on you. Sometimes people have a hard time just putting themselves first. They always trying to do for other people or worry about other people, how other people feel, and not gonna do this because they make somebody else feel. But sometimes you just gotta put yourself first and say, you know, regardless of how anybody else feel, this is how I feel, so I'm gonna do it. Make yourself happy. Make your happiness your first priority. But yeah, put yourself first and do stuff that you like, how you like it, when. Don't let nobody else control your life. Like, I knew, like, for example, I knew when I was in 10th grade that I did not want to go to college. Of course, my parents was like, really? Like, really? You're not going to go to college? Like, just making it like, oh, that's something you got to do. But I'm like, that's something you want me to do. Not what I want to do. I don't want to go to college, and you can't live through me, so I'ma, you know, live my life how I want to live my life, and you're gonna have to accept me for me. If you're not gonna accept me, then that's just gonna, you know, determine our relationship, the relationship I have with my parents. And what they really accept me for me, and they encourage me to do what I want to do. Like, they actually try to push me further and further every day, and it really helps to have people around you who encourages you, that help build your confidence, because sometimes you may not even see something in yourself that somebody else seeing you, and they, like, you know, tell you, like, no, you need to do this, like, open your mind, like, you can do it. And the people who don't, some people, it look weird. Look, you can't really see my eyebrows.
Oh yeah, because you got makeup. Because you got makeup on.
But people who don't have nobody to tell them stuff, you gotta uplift yourself. So
that's a good point.
Yeah, you gotta uplift yourself. You gotta do it yourself and stop looking for other people to do stuff for you. Like I said, the only person who can bring you out of that dark hole is you. There's nothing nobody can say to you, tell you, or do for you to make you feel different about yourself. You gotta love yourself. And don't go looking for love, ladies. In a man, like, attract what you want. You gotta be what you're attracting. What you want to attract, you have to be that first. And I think Cash Doll said that in an interview too. Like, if you want a boss, you gotta be a boss to attract one. You know,
you do.
Like, girls be looking for guys who can buy them stuff they can't even buy themselves. You know what I'm saying?
That is so true.
You know what I'm saying? It's like crazy. Okay.
Oh, get away.
We should scoot closer so
ahead.
they can see. Okay. But yeah, so what I'm trying to think of the exact conversation me and a girl was having, because she was really questioning me, like, how did I do it? Like, how
your confidence?
My confidence. And to me, I wouldn't even, like, I be doubting myself just like every other female. It's normal. But for somebody to, like, look at me and be like, how? Like, how do you have this confidence? It just shows you, like, damn, like, you know, like,
stop
I'm really,
being so hard on
exactly.
me.
Stop being so hard on yourself.
Yeah.
Like, you know?
Yeah.
Right there, what you just said. Stop being so hard on yourself.
But that's why I said it takes other people to see things in you that you don't see in
And
yourself.
that's what I said.
Yep. Yep. That is so true. True.
Y'all, it's crazy. Like, it's crazy. Like, all the females, I be seeing some pretty ass females, and they be like, they don't have the confidence. Like, they don't see how pretty they are, and they just don't know what they're missing out on. Because, boy, when you just realize, like, I'm that bitch, can't nobody tell you nothing.
But it shows, though.
And it shows.
Yeah.
People can look through you, like, and just see. And that's what attracts them to you.
And one thing about men, honestly, real men, they love a woman that carries self-confidence.
Yes.
They like
the weak men want a woman they can manipulate and tell what to do and control, because they don't have control over nothing else in their life. So they want to control you. Ladies, man, if you got a man who don't uplift you and tell you beautiful every day, leave him alone. He not worth it. You gonna have a man that comes and literally adore and cherish the ground you walk on.
That's what I would love to wait for. I don't mind waiting before I settle, because you have to believe. I know society make things seem one way, like it's impossible to have that, but you have to believe that, God, I'm capable of having exactly what I want, and you speak that. What you want in your husband, you speak that.
Yeah.
I promise you, they'll come. He'll come.
You'll have a good man who gonna learn from you and be able to teach you things, like, and want to see you do better, not see you upset, like, not even ever want to see you cry.
Exactly.
That's why I don't be with all that. I ain't caught up in the hype, trust me. I always tell my friends, like, I don't want to be with nobody who makes me upset. Like, I don't want him to ever, have to make up to me and, like,
that's good.
You gotta do this so we can make up. Like, no, I'm not with that. Make me happy 24/7, period. I'm the priority. I'm the catch.
That is so
I'm not
true.
here to chase you.
That's true, though. That's so true.
Yes, that's very true. Like, females be having it confused, but let me tell you, babe.
I'm not that one that's confused.
I'm not that one. That's why I love Meg, because she just really, like, uplift women, like, tell you in charge, like, I'm the boss. It's not about what a man like. It's about what I like.
Exactly.
And that's how it always should be. And guys stress they like somebody like that, but they really don't know what to do with a female like that.
Well, you remember when Cash Doll had said that her ex had said she made him nervous?
Really?
Because of the type of person she was.
Yeah.
Because she said that she was like, y'all women make it easy for them because you kind of like settle.
Yeah, you settle
and he can get away with so much, but then when
they don't have to try.
But when you have somebody that, like you said, that you have to try with, it's like, oh,
shit,
you making me nervous. That's what she said. And then she said, nigga, I lower my standards for you.
I lower my standards for you.
That's what she said.
And never lower your standards for a man.
Yeah, that's what she said.
Because they take advantage of that. They take advantage of that. Like, and that's how females, you'll see a female like, okay, I be hearing stories about stuff back in the day, and like it'd be about a female who was so beautiful, so pretty, had everything she ever wanted without a man. Then when she get the man, she lose everything because she lose focus and let him lower her self-esteem. So she not even the same person she was walking into that relationship. Walking out, like, now it's just like, damn, she don't even know who she is no more. Everybody be asking me, how do I do what I do? How did I become a brand ambassador? How did I start modeling? How did I become a rapper? Like, just questions on my whole lifestyle. How did I do this? Like, how did I come this far?
How did I become
How did I become Des Dior?
That's it.
So, I'm only 20, by the way. People think I'm like 23.
Such a baby.
Such a baby. I'm in my own place. I done did this on my own. Like, nobody helped me. So, how did I become this far? I'm gonna be giving classes on how to work this Instagram stuff, how to make money off what's in front of you, what you like to do, how to make money, how to turn it into money. I'm gonna be giving classes. I'm gonna be giving y'all, dropping some jewels. It's gonna be.
Wait, this flash is bothering me. Go ahead. Put in the front. I'll go ahead. Yeah, I'm put on. How you touch it? I touch it? It'd be funny. You know how you doing stuff. It'd be funny. They're like little kids. Like, yeah, this one. It's alright. Look at one time. These two lashes right here, these lashes is definitely like, it's crazy heavy right now. This ain't Debbie. Give me the switch things. You want to switch them? I don't know. What you think? Let us stay right there. Yeah, we'll stay.
I love when she do my makeup. She made me look so pretty.
Damn, how crazy. I need this one.
So now, let me find what I'm gonna put on, cause I never know what I'm gonna put on. What look we going for today? I got the different color sweats, the extendo sweat, you know, and it feels perfect outside. But my shirt not here. I can't wear this. This dress, I got this from Front Page Designs. So this is what we're wearing today. Now what I don't know is what shoe I am going to put on. So we're gonna do the Givenchy's. Colorful weaving your makeup is beating. That's how you look, just like a Barbie.